In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. Creating a website can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not too tech savvy, but don't worry, because I've got you covered. Today we're diving into how you can set up your own website through Ionos, a well-known web hosting and website builder platform that simplifies the process significantly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Ionos website. Ionos is a user-friendly platform that offers solutions for websites, domains, and cloud services. Once you're on their site, the journey to creating your digital presence begins. Upon reaching the site, the next step is to sign into your Ionos account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But don't worry, the sign-up process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Signing in is crucial as it will give you access to all the tools and services Ionos offers for setting up your website. Before you can leap into designing your website, there's an essential step you cannot overlook: procuring a domain name. If you haven't already purchased a domain, Ionos makes this process seamless. Searching for your desired domain name and adding it to your basket is a breeze on their platform. Keep in mind, your domain name is how visitors will find you online, so choose something that reflects your website's purpose or your business name. Once your domain is secured, it's time to start the actual website building process. You'll find the option labeled website on the Ionos dashboard. This is your gateway to accessing the website builder and all its features. Clicking on website builder takes you closer to bringing your website vision to life. Ionos has designed its builder to be intuitive, ensuring that even those new to website creation can navigate the process with ease. Whether you're looking to craft a personal blog, a portfolio, or an e-commerce site, the tools are at your fingertips. The next pivotal step is choosing your package. Ionos offers various packages tailored to different needs and budgets. Whether you need something basic or a more comprehensive plan with advanced features, select the package that best aligns with your website goals. After purchasing your package, the real fun begins: designing your website. Ionos simplifies design work by providing a suite of templates. These templates serve as a fantastic starting point by offering a variety of design themes that are both modern and responsive. Depending on the nature of your website, whether personal or professional, there's a template that matches just about every need. You have the freedom to customize these templates, ensuring that your website truly represents your vision and brand. Now here comes an exciting milestone: publishing your website. After customizing your design, refining your content, and ensuring everything is in tip-top shape, it's time to share your creation with the world. Publishing your website makes it live and accessible to everyone on the internet. It's a proud moment where you see your ideas materialize into a digital reality. And just like that, you've successfully navigated through the process of creating a website on Ionos. It's amazing how in just a few steps and a bit of creativity, you can launch a website that's ready to greet the world. Remember, creating your website is just the beginning. The digital landscape is always evolving, and so should your site. Keep it updated with fresh content, engage with your visitors, and continuously optimize to ensure your site is meeting its goals. That wraps up our guide on building a website on Ionos within minutes. I hope this walkthrough not only simplifies the process for you, but also inspires you to take that step toward establishing your online presence. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative individual, or someone looking to carve out a digital space, remember the web is vast and there's room for everyone. Happy website building!